Spain's left-wing government approved a plan on Tuesday to regularize around 500,000 undocumented migrants by decree. The measure applies to those living in Spain for at least 5 months who applied for international protection before the 31st of December 2025.
Spain has done it again. España has done it again. They've opened their gate, boom, so big for 500,000 visas for undocumented migrants when we say the day inside Spain. My people, come closer, move closer, carry your chair and let's talk. Why the UK is busy cancelling sponsorships and the US as well, they're dragging our brothers and sisters on the ground of the states about mass deportation back to their country. Something incredible, something gigantic, something fantastic happened in Europe just a few days ago. What happened? Tell me, make I hear. I am talking about Spain. I'm talking about España. I'm talking about that country that tourism is part of their GDP. The Spanish government has officially approved a historic decree to grant legal status to hundreds of thousands of undocumented migrants currently living in the shadow in Spain. We are talking about 500,000 people, including thousands of our brothers and sisters all the way from Nigeria, Bangladesh, Muguzu, Zaguza, all Africans now. They said, come, you're going to get your document. But you get condition where they put knack. And I will be explaining the conditions to you today and how you can get your papers in Spain with this window. If you're currently in Spain right now, or you have people struggling in the street of Madrid, of Barcelona, or Malaga, please, this is the video that you must share with them. And they must watch this video because we're going to break it down. The new 2 years rule, which they call the Arraigo changes. And the exact step by step that you need to take before you can qualify and before the window will close in June, this 2026, where we say we enter. So people ask, why Spain? Why are they giving people documents? Why do they want people to stay in their country when others are shouting, go, 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 go home. We don't need you anymore here. The answer is very simple. Very, very simple. It's all because of economic survival. Spain Prime Minister Ogbeni Pedro Sanchez stated clearly that migration has accounted for 80% of Spain's economic growth over the last 6 years. This man, he can't tell me. He said over the last 6 years, that migration, they don't shoot up the economy of Spain. In talk, say Spain is an aging country. They have Arraigo kuje. Old papa, grandma say that they take stick, they walk. Nobody, they won't go work because all of them don't old. Now, they need young and vibrant workers. These people, they need them to work in their farms. They need people to work in their hotels. You know, say Spain, now one tourist country, now it be. So they need people where they go to clean hotel, they go to lay the bed, they go be the security. They need people to also work in their hospitals in Spain. UK, whether they do younger, see, Spain, he say, marble, make una come. Hospital day for now, we say una go work. If you date Spain, where you qualify for that matter, you feel also work as carer in Spain. The Spanish people, they realize that having 800,000 people working on the ground in Spain, it doesn't help the country economy. It doesn't help the government at all. They want you guys to pay taxes to the government. And when you pay the taxes, they know that they're going to give you your rights in Spain. And they want you also to be part of the system. They don't want you to be outcast of the system. This is a tragedy that is being moved to fill the labor shortage, the one that they have in Spain. Spain isn't doing this just out of kindness. Don't say they like you rich like that. No. They are doing this because they need you. And you must take advantage of the fact that they need you now. Let's get into the technical part. How do you qualify for this program? The decree was approved this week, specifically targeted people who have been in Spain for the last 5 good months, and that is before the end of this 2025. If you're present in Spain before December 31st, when the waka pass go, you are in the front row seat, say you collect the paper. You don't go to the back row. That's part of the requirement too. Then, what will be the Arraigo reform self? Because it did there too. This is the big elephant in the room. This is the big one. Because previously, you had to live in the shadow for 3 good years to qualify for the Arraigo Social Permit in Spain. As of this 2026, that has been slashed to 2 years. So you would qualify faster than those years. Then, what about the hours? They have also simplified the work permits now in Spain. If you are a student, you can now work up to 30 hours a week. And the path to convert the student visa into a full work visa has been also cleared of the red line. That red tape, we say they put, they don't tear them now. So you feel work 30 hours. And at the same time, if you change your student working visa now to a full work visa permit, you just say Spain, they won't help us now. Now, how do you prove you are eligible for this program as well? You don't just run now to the police, kata, kata, kata. Oga police, I qualify. Don't go yet. There are a lot of things that you need to do. You need evidence before you go to the police. The Spanish government, they need to see that you have actually been there. You have actually been in Spain before the end of 31st, 2025. Now, all you need to do is to start gathering all documents that you can lay your hands on. Start from now. When you say you watch me now. Let's talk about Empadronamiento as part of the document we say you need. What is Empadronamiento waiting in me, self? That is your municipality registration. Even if you don't have papers in Spain, but you being registered with your local council is your number 1 proof of residency. And if you have that, you will there for the owner's seats for motto. Say, at least, see my paper, see me. Let's talk about money transfer receipt. You will be saying, you know, you transfer money to your parents for Nigeria. You see them now. You see the downfall. Because they need this Western Union or what remit transfer, showing say you've been receiving money within Spain and you've been sending money within Spain. And as you say you send money to your parents now, at least you go get those receipts, say you send money, and it go show the date and the time and your name. That one also is part of the document we say you're supposed to keep and pile up together with that Empadronamiento. Medical record. Remember I said the last time when you get headache, you go African shop, you go buy agbo, akporo, epa, jebu, you go buy all these things, go drink. This one, assuming say you go clinic or you go pharmacy that time, go collect medication. At least your name, the time, everything for sure, say you did Spain that time. Those can also be part of the document you say you're supposed to put together and join with the rest two where I just mentioned pass. Transportation tickets. You will be saying the beat trade, the beat metro, you know the buy ticket. It don't happen, no. Because assuming say you buy ticket every now and then, if they show your name, they show the date. This, you feel sure and say, I get bus pass, so I don't day Spain before this window. At least, you know, the thing too, it will help you small. My brother, my sister, the application window for this extraordinary process is expected to stay until this June 30th, 2026. If you don't have your file ready by then, you might miss the biggest opportunity of this century. In fact, it not be of the decade, of the century, you might miss it. So, what did I just mention for back there? So, write it down, go and get it documented. In fact, if it's possible, digitalize them, take photo of them, store them inside your email so that you won't lose any. Please and please do these things. It will help you. If you have any other document that shows that you've been in that country before that 30th of 2025, gather them together. Please put it in the comment section there if you know any other document that I did not mention on this program today. Why is Spain, why is it different from the rest of the world? Let's compare the value. In UK, we just talked about the care home trap and how they are revoking sponsorship visa. In Spain now, they are doing what? They are creating specific residence and work permit for seasonal activities. They are even expanding family reunification. So you can even bring your children that is even up to age 26 to Spain as me and you they talk now. So what are you waiting for, my brother? This is an opportunity for you. This is the great experiment that Spain is putting on the front line. Spain is betting that integration is better than deportation. My brother, my sister, especially the one in London, who is currently being threatened by a care home manager. This might be the time for you to start learning Spanish language, how to read and how to write. Start packing your bag. Maybe you go Spain. My sisters in Lagos, in Badagry, in Makoko, in Enron, who have denied visa, 3 times of your life. Look at the world map now. Look at it again. Look at where Spain is in the world map. Europe is bigger than one country. If UK, America, Canada denied you, look somewhere else. Not all of us, where we there for Canada, where we there for London, where we there for America, go make them. Some people, they make them for inside Sambisa forest. Some people, they make them for Iran. So, don't carry yourself them by force. You must go America. But still, hear me and hear me well. Spain is a land of law. This regularization is for those people with no criminal record. If you have been making trouble in Spain, bars goes on the happen on top of your name. Because everything is there inside the computer. This open door, when you say open now, it might close kakaka when you want to enter. Because they will tell you, see, Benny, no people like you now we need for Spain. If you pack all the documents, when they sempe, they feel deny you. You understand, Also, beware of fake agents. Fake agents, they go plenty now, especially for Madrid, for Malaga, for this, for that. Even for Nigeria itself, a lot of them go claim that they can jump the queue for you. If you pay them 5,000 euro, they will tell you that they can get all those documents for you. I beg, don't go waste your money. Don't give anybody any money. Because this matter now, the government decree now in be. The process is being streamlined and is being digitalized. Follow the official channel. No go give your money to anybody. Anybody will say make you bring money. Now 419 now they won't do you. Don't give them any money. And you in Spain right now, tell us the situation on the ground in the comments box there. Are you in the UK thinking of moving to Spain sharp because of this new law? Also put it in the comment section there. This is African Black Gold TV, bringing the news that changes life. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We see the world differently. And turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first person to hear my bagam when I bring the update of this matter come, because there's going to be a follow-up of this story. And if you want to hear that, put it in the comment section and tell me more, please. I'm going to see you in the next updates.